Well, folks, all those that came to the Retro Friday last night, the problem we had at the end, and I guess I was just getting tired, didn't even think about it, because we kept seeing the memory issue, but weren't seeing any type of video output, right? Well, check this out. I changed the video card from that Trident that was in there to this Paradise card. And now, when I boot up, here we go. We actually post. And yeah, we don't have any keyboard on there. It is running at 66 megahertz. So at least we've made some progress. And look, we still have a 4E48 code on the postcard. We'll check that out here in a second. So 4E4H. E4E says reboot if, I don't know if that means if in manufacturing mode. If not, display message, enter. But there's a CMOS checksum error, but we'll see here. And then I think we have to go into CMOS. If not, display message and enter setup. So in other words, if not, look at the error message and enter setup. Okay, let's restart this one more time. And there it goes. What's it doing? It's not posting. It posted last time. Why isn't it posting now? I still have a 4E4C, but that's what I had last time. I just put this keyboard on, so let's take the keyboard back off. All right, let's redo this again. Does it post without the keyboard? Yeah, it does. So maybe there's something wrong with that keyboard too, right? So, all right, let's continue. Let's try another keyboard. I have another Keytronics keyboard. I'm gonna go ahead and power this thing up again. See if it posts, and this one does. So now we still have a CMOS checksum error, which is good. Okay, defaults are loaded, and let's see if we can hit enter, hit escape, F1 to continue. How about that? And of course, tells us what we have, what we don't have. It's not going to find a floppy, but that actually looks good. And I'm waiting for it to say disk boot failure, insert system disk and press enter. That's what I wanted. So it says that we have 640K of base memory and 0 of extended. I know there's a 1 meg SIM in there. We'll see. Okay, here's the next boot. This time we're going to go into BIOS. And let's look. Once it gets to the screen, I'll come back to the. All right, so is it delete? Delete to enter? I don't remember. It'll say delete to enter setup or something right there. F1 to continue. Oh, so it went straight through. So it went straight through this time. It accepted the default memory. There's what we have right now. FF63. Let's look over here. So FF is initial boot attempt. Let's see, that's on award. This is an award BIOS. So initial, no, that means interrupt 19 boot attempt. And it's 6.3. There's 6.3. If there's any changes in the hardware configuration, update the ESD information for plug-and-play BIOS only. Clear memory that have been used. Boot system via interrupt 19H. I think that's what that means, 19H. So basically, it's not finding a boot disk, and I guess that's what that's saying. All right, one more time, let's boot up, see if we can get into BIOS, and I believe it's delete. Let's see if, yeah, here we go. We're now in BIOS setup, all right? I guess we can look at the standard BIOS setup. Let's do it. So there's no hard drives defined on here. The time is definitely back to 1994. I guess that's when this motherboard was built, huh? But anyway, escape. Let's hit F10 to save and exit. Save and exit, yes. Enter. And I don't think it's going to do anything different other than come up and tell us no boot device found. I'm surprised it's not giving an error for the floppy. I guess that's turned off. All right, so there we go. So that's where we're at right now.